Hey guys, this is my bike check. This bike is a 2018 Mongoose Legion L100, which is the most expensive model of BMX bikes that they have. I got last year for Christmas. I just could give you an update about it. So, start off at the rear. I have a Maxxis hookworm tire. See the tread pattern right there. It's pretty well worn. The seat's really high up for doing wheelies. And the seat's angled like that. So when seat's angled like that, so when I'm like that doing a wheelie, my seat's flat down here. Stock chain, stock sprocket, stock crank arms or cranks. I use Rock Bros mountain bike pedals. I can't stand polymer pedals because when they get wet, my feet slip off of these. My feet don't slip on them at all, as you can tell. It's been raining a lot right now, so these are really handy. Moving up a little bit, got a lot of stickers, you know, I'm about to stand out. I have these massive bars. These are actually off of this mini bike. Here are the original bars off on it. Oh my god. Crap. Well, you just saw that. My screen's broken. My screen is broken. Oh my god. Oh no. Anyways. Crap. Here's the stock bars compared to the original bars. As you can see, it's quite a big difference over there. Man, that really sucks. I broke my phone. Man, I have ODI buttons. I've been doing really good. Blinky. You know, because I like to ride at night. My favorite time to ride at. I have a Maxxis Holy Roller tire in the front. As you can see the tread pattern right there. So that's this bike check. I do run brakes. See ya.